Hey, how's it going? Aloha, everybody. Good to see everybody here. It's me. It's Luke. See? How's it? Anyways, I wanted to tell you guys all about a new thing coming up for PhotoLukeHawaii Ohana for PhotoLukeHawaii YouTube channel. It will be channel memberships will be offered to everybody, and if you want to, you can be a part of the PhotoLukeHawaii Ohana officially by having a membership. It is also not necessary for you to do this, but this is an option. Channel membership will give you a badge next to your name to see when you're typing in chat, so everybody knows that you are the real deal. That, you know, as far as you have added a little bit more support for PhotoLukeHawaii, and that badge, it really shows the appreciation that we have for you folks, to recognize that you are that person who just contributed to us just a little bit more. And everybody's watching you, you're liking the videos, your views is super important to us. Don't get me wrong. I just want to offer this to people as an option. It's a fun thing to have when you do chats. We do it in Twitch also, where you have emotes, and yes, the emotes will not fly across the screen, but you will have them to use in the chat, to use along with your messages. Also, this will also grant you access to early viewing of videos, of certain videos that I put out, and maybe some members only chats. So that's something to maybe look forward to if you are interested in doing the channel membership. Anyways, thank you so much for your support, everybody. Channel memberships are coming up. Mahalo, everybody, for listening. Aloha.